What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be doing an open cup with almost every color of the rainbow. We have a titanium white, we have a lemon yellow, a cadmium red, fluorescent pink, cerulean blue. This is a violet and a magenta. All these colors are mixed. 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. And it has 1 to 2 drops of my coconut milk hair serum in it to create cells. I have a base coat in white mixed the exact same way with no silicone in it. And with that, we're gonna do this maybe a little bit more. There we go. All right. How's everybody doing? Yes, you. How are you doing? All right, we're going to start with this magenta. A lot of you have been asking what these are, and these are just cookie cutters. They're in my video description, and they're from Amazon, so if you want a set, you can just hop on down in the description and grab yourself a set. They weren't very expensive, and I mean, as long as when you're done using them, you put them in water or you wipe them out real good, and it cleans them right out. Put this fluorescent pink and then this gorgeous cadmium red right there. Now, the only issue we might have is if that yellow mixes with the violet. So we're going to try to control that as much as we can. If we have the yellow anywhere near the violet, we'll just put a layer of white in between. All right, so got some yellow. And the next color is magenta, which is very close. So what I'm going to do is layer some white on it. I think the outside looks so good. So this was just the torched area and then stretched it before those cells could kind of like compact into each other and totally disturb the look. And then that little bit of heat gun, it's given us little cells starting to pop up, push through, show those brilliant colors underneath. This is really actually pretty, guys. I'm really liking the whole using the torch pre-spin. I think that is beautiful. Let me get some paint here. All right. Just getting all my coverage on the sides without doing another spin. I don't want to do another whole spin on this thing. It's not necessary. I like what's going on. I don't want to mess that up, so. All right, scrape the bottom, stop the drips. So we're gonna come back in a couple minutes. I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like up close, because it is beautiful, guys, beautiful. All right, I am stoked by the way this looks. Now, all the colors are gonna dry a little bit darker, but then we're gonna add a little bit of varnish to that thing when it's done, and it's gonna be beautiful. Just check out that middle though. Beautiful.